Good evening, L1 student.
Good evening, Teacher Rona. Good evening, classmates. It's nice to see you this evening. Mabuhay!
Kindly sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So, let's have first a recap what we did yesterday. So, yung saman tayo yesterday. So, stand up, Frank. Let's talk about yung saman.
Action word.
So, action word. So, yung saman ang action word, Faye.
Lihok.
Oh, mga lihok.
Ako siya, example.
Kasagaran, nasa na ito makita?
Nagtagda, nagluto.
Outdoor, nabang sa katagapon. Nabang sa katagapon.
Number. Sure.
Number. Nag-quiz lang about sa action word. So, other.
Doing. Dancing. Number of.
Gani, quiz na ganito.
Anong
So, other example base. Sige, ay ko example.
Ako dyan.
Sige, siyan.
Sa action, sir. Cooking, dancing, writing.
Next,
Dancing.
Oh, dancing. Rock.
Answer. Waiting.
Ang mana, ay nalagay mo raise your sa iyong hand.
Swimming.
Swimming. Next, Ana Marie.
Run.
Run. Dili mo yung barog. Sige, Mio.
Right.
Dili mo yung barog.
Right.
Next.
That's what. Cook. Talking.
So,
Mana.
now let's proceed to a new
Topic or
topic.
new topic.
The differences between the two.
Name
The mass noun and the compound noun. So, mass noun, any idea? Okay, Frank.
Basta di maiyak.
So, naming words that cannot
Sir,
be
example, sir.
counted. So, may kang data. So, kung sa man ang naming words di ay?
Sir, example, mas na, sir.
Silupsa, naming ko unsang naming words. First, naming words.
Place. Say.
Good evening, all three students.
Good evening, Teacher Joanna. Good evening, classmates. It's nice to see you this evening.
Okay, let's check your answer. Okay, number 1. The official documents, plans, and learning materials prepared by education authorities or schools. Ralph. Okay, written. Correct. Number 2. What teachers actually teach in the classroom, which may or may not match the written exactly. Number 2. Tristan. Okay, taught. Number 3. The resources and materials that help deliver the curriculum effectively. Anjali? Supported. Number 4. The knowledge, skills, and attitudes measured through tests, projects, or other evaluation methods. Troy. Assess. Check. Number 5. The actual knowledge, skills, and values that students retain after instruction. Tristan. Hidden? It's learned. Okay, number 6. The unspoken or unintended lessons, values, and perspectives students learn from school culture, teacher, behavior, and peer instruction. Troy? Very good. Hidden or implicit. Number 7. Given by different government agencies, it is recommended. Okay, 7, 8. What are the 3 educational level? All? Tanan all 3. 1? 8? Next.
Testa.
Next. Chad. Okay. Hugatan. 8. 9. Troy. 8. Kamu talo?
Okay, so tonight, our topic is about writing numbers in words. Sa atong topic?
Writing numbers in words.
Okay, so ang number ko, no, ato siya in words. So, pakianin, ako din no, si 1, ako i-spelling, di ba? Until sa 10, tapos 20, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, di ba? Spelling, so ato basahon kanan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900.
Okay, so after nata 900 ha, so wala pa na palabuta ang 1,000 or ang thousands ha. So, andira kay na ay spelling no. So atong buhaton is dapat kay ba punta mo spelling o kay ba punta mo basa sa number. So, kinsa may makahatag og number nga naa sa hundreds. Oh, diyan.
42.
Hundreds gali.
Ay,
Mm.
100 ay.
Stefan,
Kanang what ya sir?
o kanang wala dira pero nasa 100.
550.
Okay, 550. So, ano mong gipangayo, Stefan, kay mo nino, 550? Correct? So, kan 550 ni Dili.
550.
Okay, so ato na siya spelling. Unsa man to unahon? So, mag-start ang ato sa 500. So, ato spelling ang 500. Kopya, 500. Tapos, ang sobra, unsa man siya?
50.
Oh, ang 50. So, ato to ang 50. Okay. Oh, naana sayon listen.
Sayo.
Okay, magkwenta sa wala kaabot og 100, why labot si 29. Dapat 31 padong 99. Okay, diyan.
100. What's that turn? What po ganito?
Zelda. Okay, 32. Ana gali ko kaabot sa 100. Di maminaw si Jansa. Nakabuasan ko an. So, ang gingon ni Zelda, what is your number, Zelda? Okay, 32. So, mo ni siya ang 32, no? So, atong kanon is atong spelling ang 30 sa ta. Kani. Oh, sa 3. Spelling ta ha. 30. So, magbutang ka ang 30. Nya ang 2. So, kapihon na to ang 2.
So, good evening, students.
Good evening, Teacher May.
So, today, kay mag-discuss about
Algebraic expressions.
algebraic expression is
An expression that may have numbers, operations, and one or more variables. Variables, a symbol that represents one or more numbers. Term, each number, variable, or groups of numbers and variables separated by an operation sign. Plus, minus, equals, multiplication. Coefficient, the numerical factor of a term that contains a variable. Constant, a term without a variable.
so ang algebraic expression, an expression that may have numbers, operations, and one or more variables. So ang variable, a symbol that represents one or more numbers. Dagan ko ng numbers. Ang term, each number, variable, or groups of numbers and variables separated by an operation sign. Ang sign kay plus, minus, equal, and multiplication. Ang coefficient,
Annyeonghaseyo. So, today, we are going to practice English conversation. Okay? Okay, fighting. So, this time, let's pretend that we are in a restaurant. Okay. 1, 2, 3, action!
Waiter, please! Good afternoon, sir. This is your menu.
Thank you so much. Okay, I want to order lechon manok.
Okay. How about you, Sir Javon? Let me take the menu. I want order the pizza. Okay. How about you, Mom Rachel? Let me check. I want order for burger steak bigger. Okay. How about you, Mom Aiko? And I want order fried chicken. Okay. How about you, Mom Samantha? Let me check. Steak. Okay. How about you, Mom Erica? Let me check that menu. Okay. Chicken and coleslaw. Okay. How about you, Mom Althea? What?
Louder, please. I cannot hear the order. Mang inasal. Okay.
My God. How about you, Mom Angel? Okay. Chicken and
Okay, that's all. Okay, come here, waiter, please. Okay, waiter, please confirm our orders, please.
Teacher Michael, lechon manok. Teacher Michael order lechon manok. Javon order pizza. And Rachel order burger steak. Althea Aiko order fried chicken.